Chris hired me at the Roaring Fork Club in 2012, and we worked together for almost 5 years, and we clicked. We worked really well together. We hit it off. We've come kind of from the same kind of background and we had the same drive, and so working together, it wasn't work. It was fun.
My brother used to work for Chris Wilson in Colorado at Roaring Fork Club and Assault. And through the years, I became friends with Chris Wilson as well and offered up anything I can help him with for the tournament while I was out here, and he so gladly accepted. Being in the golf course industry, especially in the maintenance end of it, it's kind of like, a big family. They help you, we like to help them.
Coltrane is, we've had a great relationship our whole life. We're good friends. We feed off of each other, and it's just good knowing that you can trust who you're working with, so you're not afraid if that mower was set right. It's one less thing you got to worry about.
He got me started in the golf industry 17 years ago, and he's helped me greatly in my career, and he still teaches me to this day. He's very intelligent. I feed off of him. I believe he feeds off of me, and we're still brothers, so you're always going to have that relationship. But at the end of the day, we're working at the U.S. Open, so that's all that matters.
We both kind of approach everything the same way. Like he said, he would sit and help me set mowers up long time ago, and so he's found his own ways of doing things too, which is great. But it's kind of like being on the basketball court. You can make eye contact and you know what the next guy's going to do. So you don't have to say something necessarily. You can just kind of make a gesture and it's getting done.